Yeah. Is it really it?
That's useful.
Get close.
I'm a bad fan.
Try and
Can
chant.
you do it? I'm tall. I'll be ready for this.
Here you go. Wet your palate.
No, that's the worst thing you can do because it sticks to your gums more. Just go!
Hold on, I got the whole laughing thing going on too.
Here,
Hold
put
on.
some more in there. Don't be a girl. Oh, look at you, just put it in there.
Hey, kiss my ass. I'm doing it. Shut the hell up.
I already did it.
I want to see this on YouTube later.
Go. I'm gonna snort it. I want to see you puff.
That'd be the next challenge.
It already smells hot.
That's good. Let's do it. Come on.
Quickly swallow.
You okay with it?
Oh.
Well, I got a few granules down.
Is your, let me see, stick
It
out your
hurts
tongue.
right here.
Are your eyes watering?